There's the noise again. That's the moon right there. What is that noise, though? It really is the end of the world, isn't it? What's going on out there? You know, all the things I was talking about on Rant, whatever, and that one conspiracy on the Earth Suck Hole podcast with Keith and Peter about America exploding the bomb, trying to kill something, and this thing destroying pipelines under the ocean and setting the water on fire. And these noises from the sky that I've been filming have been corresponding with the timing of all this. Who knows if it's connected or not? It could just be a coincidence, but that's not. I don't know. I've never heard anything like that ever. Like, that's fucking crazy. My camera won't even focus.